Do you ever feel like your stomach is always in knots, no matter what you eat? You've tried cutting out gluten, skipping dairy, or following the latest diet trends, but nothing seems to work. What if I told you that healing your gut could be the key to unlocking better digestion, more energy, clearer skin, and even a better mood? Today, we're diving into the incredible and often overlooked world of gut health. I'm going to show you how simple foods and natural supplements can repair your gut lining, balance your microbiome, and help you feel your best inside and out. Whether you're dealing with bloating, indigestion, or just want to feel healthier, stick around, because this could change everything. Here's something that might surprise you. Your gut does more than just digest food. It's often called your second brain. Why? Because it influences so much more than we realize: your immune system, your mental health, and even how well you sleep. Yet so many of us ignore the signals our gut sends us. Those daily bloating episodes, stomach cramps, or the constant feeling of fatigue after meals. It's easy to brush these off as just part of modern life. But what if these are signs your gut is begging for help? I used to be one of those people. For years, I struggled with bloating, irregular digestion, and a sense of being tired no matter how much sleep I got. I tried every new diet out there: low carb, high protein, cutting out gluten, but nothing seemed to help. Then I realized that I wasn't addressing the root of the problem: my gut. What I discovered was that my gut wasn't just malfunctioning because of what I was eating, but because of years of neglect, processed foods, antibiotics, stress. It wasn't until I made some simple, natural changes that I noticed a real difference. So how do we heal our gut? It all starts with nourishing the good bacteria that live inside it, your microbiome. Think of your gut like a garden. If you water it, give it sunlight, and plant the right seeds, it will flourish. But if you neglect it, it'll dry up and wither. Let's talk about those seeds. What foods and supplements will help you grow that healthy gut garden? The first thing we need to add to your diet is probiotics. These are the good bacteria that help balance your gut. Think of them as tiny warriors, fighting off harmful invaders and protecting your body from within. Foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt are packed with probiotics. They introduce live, beneficial bacteria into your gut, helping to rebalance the microbiome and improve digestion. Studies show that probiotics can reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and bloating, and even improve mental health, thanks to that gut-brain connection. I remember the first time I tried kimchi. I wasn't sure about it at first. The tangy, fermented flavored was unlike anything I'd had before. But within a few weeks of adding a spoonful to my meals, I started noticing changes: less bloating, more energy, and even a clearer mind. It was like my body was thanking me for finally giving it the support it needed. Next up are prebiotics. These aren't bacteria, but they're the food your probiotics need to survive. Without prebiotics, those good bacteria you're introducing can't thrive. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, and even bananas are excellent sources of prebiotics. They help feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, ensuring they can do their job of keeping your digestion running smoothly. But it's not just about the bacteria. If your gut lining is damaged, something we call leaky gut, no probiotics or prebiotics will fully fix the issue. That's where foods like bone broth come in. Bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids, which help repair the gut lining, reducing inflammation and healing the intestines. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, aloe vera is another great option for healing your gut from the inside. For some of us, food might not be enough. That's where supplements come into play. The right supplements can give your gut the boost it needs to heal and thrive. First, probiotic supplements. If you're not getting enough through food, these are a great way to introduce more good bacteria. Look for ones with multiple strains, especially lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Next, L-Glutamine. This amino acid is like a miracle for the gut lining, helping seal those tiny leaks that cause inflammation and digestive discomfort. Lastly, digestive enzymes can help break down food properly, ensuring you absorb all the nutrients and reduce the risk of bloating or gas. Of course, all of this won't help if you're still eating foods that harm your gut. Processed foods, sugar, and artificial sweeteners are some of the biggest culprits when it comes to gut damage. They feed the bad bacteria and cause inflammation. If you want to heal your gut, it's not just about what you add, it's about what you cut out. So the next time you sit down for a meal, think about it this way. Is this food helping my gut garden flourish, or is it causing harm? With the right foods, a few supplements, and some mindful choices, you can heal your gut and feel better from the inside out. Your gut affects everything: your energy, your mood, your skin, even your immune system. By taking care of it, you're taking care of yourself. So give it the love it deserves. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what gut-friendly foods you're excited to try. Until next time, take care of your gut, and it'll take care of you.